So students, now we are going to study the ways to remove the temporary hardness. सबसे पहले हम temporary hardness को remove करने के methods पढ़ेंगे. Number one way method is boiling. What happens when we boil water? The bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium decompose to give carbonates, and carbonates are insoluble in water. They are insoluble, so they settle down at water. This water can be filtered off later on. ये जो कैल्शियम एंड मैग्नीशियम के बाइकार्बोनेट्स हैं, जब हम इनको हीट करते हैं तो ये हीट करने पे डिकम्पोज करके कार्बोनेट्स बना देते हैं. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट गिव्स bicarbonate gives calcium carbonate, and magnesium bicarbonate gives magnesium carbonate, and carbonates are insoluble. Calcium and magnesium के carbonates insoluble है. So what happens, being insoluble they settle down. फिर these can be removed by filtration. So this way water can be softened. So what happens on heating? Suppose करो CaHCO3 is there. CO3 whole twice. On heating, it decomposes to give CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Similarly, MgHCO3, magnesium bicarbonate, on heating decomposes to give MgCO3. ये जो है precipitate कर जाते हैं, MgCO3 plus H2O plus CO2. So this way calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate can then be filtered and removed from water. This is one way. Second way is Clark's method. Clark's method क्या है? We add calculated quantity of slaked lime in water, calcium hydroxide. When we add calcium hydroxide in temporary hard water, the calcium bicarbonate reacts with calcium hydroxide, and in this way calcium carbonate is formed. जब इसमें हम डालते हैं कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, लाइम थोड़ा सा डाल देते हैं वाटर में, तो CaHCO3 whole twice combines with CaOH whole twice to form CaCO3 plus H2O. Similarly, MgHCO3 whole twice combines with CaOH2 to form MgCO3 plus CaCO3. दोनों ही ये सेटल डाउन कर जाते हैं प्लस H2O. सो इंसॉल्युबल, ये इंसॉल्युबल सॉल्ट्स हैं, ये सेटल डाउन कर जाते हैं, इनको रिमूव कर सकते हैं हम प्लस फिल्टर करके. तो दिस इज क्लार्क्स मेथड, एडिंग lime. Lime means CaOH whole twice, slaked lime. So these two methods are used for removing temporary hard water. Now come to removal of permanent hardness. Permanent hardness cannot be removed like temporary hardness, just you boil and it will be removed. No, it cannot be removed by boiling. So what are the ways? One way you had studied in class 11th, 10th also, that is by adding washing soda. Washing soda is used for removing temporary hardness of water. Using washing soda. Washing soda जब हम यूज़ करते हैं Na2CO3, तो क्या होता है कि वॉशिंग सोडा और कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट, मैग्नीशियम बाइकार्बोनेट के बीच में जो डबल डिकम्पोजिशन होती है, जिससे कार्बोनेट्स ऑफ सोडियम आर फॉर्म्ड. और सोडियम के जो कार्बोनेट्स है, दे आर सॉल्युबल इन वाटर, दे आर एंड दे डू नॉट कॉज एनी काइंड ऑफ हार्डनेस. M2 प्लस जो है, जैसे सपोज करो कैल्शियम CaCl2 कैल्शियम क्लोराइड प्लस Na2CO3, तो क्या बन जाता है? CaCO3 plus NaCl. CaCO3 can be removed by filtration. NaCl doesn't make water hard. It is not responsible for any kind of hardness. वैसे ही MgCl2 also reacts in the same way. CaCO3 प्लस MgCO3 प्लस NaCl बनेगा। वैसे ही सल्फेट, सपोज करो MgSO4 प्लस Na2CO3, so what will be formed? MgCO3 plus Na2SO4. So MgCO3 precipitates out, it is insoluble, it can be removed by filtration, and Na2SO4 is left. This does not cause hardness. So in this way water can be permanent hardness can be removed in this way. Another method is by adding Calgon method है। Calgon method, in this method we use what is the principle of this method? That calcium ion and magnesium ion, which are responsible for making water hard, they are made ineffective by adding Calgon. Calgon क्या है? That is polymetaphosphate. Calgon is polymetaphosphate. Calgon का मतलब क्या होता है? Calcium gone. Calcium makes water hard, so calcium is gone by this method. So what do we use? Sodium polymetaphosphate, its formula is NaPO3 whole N. N is a variable, its value can be anything up to 1000. Commonly NaPO3 जो commonly use होता है उसमें it is 6. So this is sodium polymetaphosphate. It is only named as Calgon. तो जब हम हार्ड वाटर को सोडियम पोलीमेटाफॉस्फेट से ट्रीट करते हैं तो ये जो कैल्शियम है इट इज़ रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम calcium is removed by forming a complex. So this is next method. And another very important method is third, that is by ion exchange method. Ion exchange method का मतलब क्या होता है? The ions which are responsible, the ions, that is calcium ion, magnesium ion, which are responsible for making water hard, they are exchanged by other ions which have no effect, which have no role in making water hard, which do not make water hard. Calcium ion and magnesium ion are exchanged with some other ions which do not make water hard. So there are two kinds of ion exchange methods. एक होता है जिसमें by using zeolite are the ion exchangers. Inorganic ion exchanger भी बोलते हैं zeolite को हम कहते हैं inorganic ion exchangers. Just a minute, इसके बाद हम अभी थोड़ी देर में फिर हम ऑन करते हैं नेक्स्ट.